I just came home. This is my first ever Hedgehog Hollow box, and I'm so excited. I know I say that all the time when I get a box, but if you guys have not found Hedgehog Hollow on YouTube, you gotta go there. She's fabulous, and Hedgehog Hollow, I think it's Alexandra's her name. I just know Hedgehog Hollow is who got me into Nouveau stuff. I have like this whole section of my craft room now dedicated to Nouveau, tonic Nouveau stuff. But she's awesome. And she does all kinds of crafts and all kinds of stuff. But they have a crafter's box that you can get, and I literally just got home from work and my husband said, you have a Hedgehog Hollow box, and I was like, oh my god. So I'm opening it for the first time. I want to say, I think they're $39.99. Look, it comes with a cute little sticker in not plastic, in tissue paper. I'm so excited. Her stuff is amazing. Oh, look at this beautiful flowers. Super cute. It tells you everything that's in the kit. This is their August box. Oh, I saw this when she showed it. Look how adorable. Hedgehog Hollow little tote. Isn't that cute? I love it. Okay, this is in the box. And I'm hoping these are colors I haven't bought. I just bought a ton of these. The Nouveau alcohol markers. I can't talk, I'm so excited. The Nouveau alcohol markers. I don't think I got coral. I don't know. So look at this, full size sets. 3 of them in the box. Amazing. Always candy. I don't know that because I've got a box because it's my first box, but she always says when she does her previews, and there's always a candy. I've been dying to try this Gina K amalgam ink. I don't remember why it's amazing. I just remember that on Hedgehog Hollow they talked about it and all the cool things it could do, so I'm gonna have to go back and read it because I know there was a reason that I needed to get this, so I'll be very excited to try this out. Gina K Design Amalgam Black Ink. And check out these stamp sets. So I'm into watercoloring now, but I needed large floral images. And aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. Oh. Hopefully you can see it behind the adorable packaging. You can't go wrong with pink and black. Hedgehog Hollow, awesome. And then here's the other one. I'm terrible at names of flowers, so I have no clue what they are. This one kind of looks like a peony, and this one I don't know, but love them. You will be seeing tutorials on that. What else do we have in here? So exciting. So they give us all the cardstock. I think there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 5, 6. This is heavy cardstock. I think it's Nina, but I'm not 100% sure. Well, I could look on the back of the little postcard and it told me what I got. But I've already lost the Here it is. It is, oh, it just says card bases. So these are your card bases, and they're really nice quality. So they give you the card bases, but they also give you envelopes. Hello. And they're not just boring white envelopes. Love it. So I got 6 envelope with 6 card bases. And oh, these look like they're cut just right. I love this. Look. 2, 3, 4. So 4 colors. And I bet, let's see. 1, 2, maybe 4 whites and vellum. Awesome. So let's see. colored cardstock, candy, vellum. She doesn't say how many, but I'm pretty sure it was six. Alexa Siberia large blooms. Oh, Alex Siberia bud stamps and Alex Siberia large bloom stamps. Nice. So anyway, look at all the stuff I got in this box. I mean, for $39, $39.99 plus low shipping. Awesome. I mean, these are full size. Hello. These aren't cheap. Great job, Hedgehog Hollow. I am addicted to your channel, and I am now addicted to your boxes. So I will have to keep getting your monthly box because I love them. So they also have on her YouTube channel, you can subscribe or join their channel. And there's a lot of perks that go along with that too. I haven't done it yet because I've been working so much. I haven't had as much time as I'd like to craft, but I totally intend on doing so. But super excited to use all this yummy goodness from Hedgehog Hollow. So just a quick one because you had to see what was in my box. All right, well, thanks for stopping by for this quick checkout of Hedgehog Hollow, and go there, subscribe. Their website, don't say Hedgehog Hollow because you won't get the right place. Go to thehedgehoghollow.com, and that's how you get there. All right, thanks again. Have a super blessed evening, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.